Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Grow Everything. Today I wanted to show you guys the results from one of my earliest projects from back in 2013. Around the time I made my air layering video, I had also started to run a few tests with tree cuttings. We have a mulberry tree in our backyard that has been here since we moved into our house, and it's always produced delicious berries. Around springtime in 2013, I took 32 cuttings at anywhere from 4 inches to 1 foot and pushed them all 6 inches deep into a bunch of pots and containers filled with potting mix. Doing this, I didn't expect much, as cuttings typically need rooting hormone and temps at a maximum of 75 degrees with high humidity to get good results. The only condition that was ideal in this case was the humidity, because I live in Florida. All of the cuttings made an attempt to grow, but as expected, all of the sticks dried up and didn't take. That is, except for one. It quickly developed into a sapling, and by 2014, it was ready to plant. Today, the tree stands at 17 feet tall, now surpassing the mother tree in height. In the past, when searching the web for info, I didn't find any long-term end results on trees grown from cuttings, so I wanted to show you the progress my tree has made over the years. Since 2014, we have seen massive growth and increase in strength. The foliage is seemingly just as large and green as that of the mother plant, with leaves ranging from 3 to 7 inches wide. I found a decent amount of info in regard to the root structure of cuttings being inferior to that of the mother plants, causing the base of the tree to be brittle. This might be true for some trees, however my mulberry hasn't seemed to have any problems surviving windstorms. In 2017, we had a direct hit from Hurricane Irma, with the eye passing right over my town and bringing with it continuous winds of up to 112 miles per hour and gusts of up to 140. In this footage of a cypress tree that smashed into my house, you clearly see the mulberry tree, though tattered, still standing after the storm. If this tree can withstand a high Category 3 hurricane, even with its broad green leaves acting as sails in the wind, I believe the root system is fully sufficient. Another issue brought up is life expectancy. It is believed that trees grown from cuttings may live a shorter life than that of the mother plant. Considering how young my tree is, I have a ways to go before I can answer this question, but I will keep you guys posted if the tree starts to decline. The fruit from the cutting tree is of the same quality of the fruit from the mother tree. Yields have been a bit lower, however, with age and more pruning, I feel that this will change very quickly. The mother tree seems to produce berries that are more stout and wide, while the tree grown from the cutting tends towards longer fruit. The leaves are seemingly free of disease for the most part as well, which is remarkable considering that I haven't given the tree fertilizer, mulch, or azomite for the last 3 years. When the tree was planted in 2014, I surrounded the roots with a small amount of compost and placed mulch on top the sand. I replenished the mulch for a year to hold moisture, enabling the tree to establish more quickly. Something I have noticed is that the structure of this mulberry tree seems to be weepier than that of the mother plant, with branches extending outward as far as 12 feet and nearly touching the ground. We constantly have to prune it just to keep it upright, which is very interesting. All in all, I'm very amazed by the results of this haphazardly executed experiment. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There are plenty more to come, and I'm excited to share them with you. Thanks for watching.